Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pesto from scratch. First, gather your fresh ingredients like basil, pine nuts, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and good quality olive oil. Toasting your pine nuts briefly can really enhance their flavor. You'll need a food processor or a mortar and pestle for blending. Let's get started on this simple and rewarding recipe. Let's talk about the exact ingredients you'll need for a perfect pesto. Start with 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, packed tightly. You'll also want 1/2 cup of pine nuts, which you should lightly toast for a deeper taste. Don't forget 2 cloves of fresh garlic and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Finally, have 1/2 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil on hand. Now for the fun part, blending your pesto. In your food processor, combine the basil, toasted pine nuts, garlic, and Parmesan cheese. Pulse these ingredients until they are finely chopped and well combined. Then, with the processor running, slowly drizzle in the 1/2 cup of olive oil. Make sure to stop and scrape down the sides of the bowl occasionally to ensure everything is incorporated evenly. Once your pesto is blended, taste it and season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. If you prefer a smoother consistency, you can add a little more olive oil. To store your homemade pesto, transfer it to an airtight container and place it in the refrigerator. For best preservation, pour a thin layer of olive oil over the surface before sealing. This helps maintain its vibrant green color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.